Right now I'm in Google Drive working on a sales presentation. I'm going to select the share button and enable anyone within my organization with this link to view the presentation. Now that I have that copied, I'm going into Swit to find my sales channel. Since sales is one of my starred channels, my workflow is quick and seamless. I'm going into our tabs function located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The tabs function is unique to every individual channel. It allows channel members to have easy access to links, presentations, sheets, documents, and so much more. Documents and web pages that teams need to access often for their workflow are available with one click thanks to the tab feature. Since these presentation slides include a lot of information that we need to often adhere to, I'm going to make it a tab. Here I'm going to add a new tab, name it Sales Presentation. Then I will paste the copied link and select Add. As you can see, the presentation is available now within Swit. Not only can I view this presentation, I can also work on it within the platform, which saves me so many clicks and allows me to stay within Swit, seeing any notifications that may come up and continue with my workflow. My final edit to this presentation is going to be our pricing package. Instead of having to open a browser window, Google it, click on a link, and search through multiple website pages, I can simply go into tabs and select the pricing tab. As you can see, the page I'm looking for pops right up, and I can gather the finishing touches for my presentation. I can easily return to my sales presentation with only one click, which saves me a bunch of time and window switching. I'm going to edit it directly on the sales channel so that all the information stays in an accessible location and my workflow remains seamless between Swit and Google. By having it shared with the team members, not only are they viewing the most up-to-date information, but they can view and track any changes made to the document within the Swit app itself. Now that the presentation is complete, I want to let my team know that the presentation is ready for them to review. It's as easy as one click into our chat function, and I can easily let them know to please review our new sales presentation in our tabs. Now my whole team can access all the materials they need in one convenient location.